Hello. Go ahead, rot your teeth. But heavens, don't fall prey to marked-up Halloween candy prices. You can treat your guests to lavish confections without needing a benefactor. After all, bougie is simply a veneer on top of a secret. Bonsoir, and welcome to Spooky Budget, where we will usher in All Hallows Eve with elegance for less. Today, we'll be making a feast for the senses, a delicious, sumptuous cake. Don't you dare tell them it's from a box. Tell them, instead, it's a family mystery. Simple artisanal techniques add a thrilling touch. Overpriced brand-name candy made from a machine? Not in this house. It's true, we're not starting from scratch. Let's just say we've had a head start. About 1,000 years head start. Enhancing a boxed mix will save you money without limiting your imagination. We'll accentuate the mix using molds and handcrafted appliques. Confuse and delight your guests with a dash of instant coffee. They won't know what hit them. Prepare according to prescribed instructions and bake in layers. Once cooled, the fun begins. I can't wait. We're using natural household items as food coloring to keep costs down. Use ingredients that sound as good as they look, like ground turmeric, beetroot juice, and spirulina. Doesn't this look to die for? Excitement awaits us. We'll add elegance by piping details and thrill with a few appliques to spy on the guests. Amazing. I can confidently say that we've nailed it. What a treat for your guests and their dentists. In this house, bougie means knowing how to make anything extravagant, even if it's from a box. A handcrafted confection? Now that's bougie.